put oil. Put oil, yes. More little. Yeah, finish. It's good. Yeah, oil. After oil, you put this one. Yes. Put the chicken. Chicken. Okay. So put the chicken as good. Chicken. Yeah, after chicken, you do like this also. Yes, chicken. Yes. And then now, after chicken, you put onion. Yeah, all onion. Is that too? Onion. Onion. More. Until it cook together. Yeah. Because we're gonna, after this, when it cook the chicken, you open the exercise. Yeah. Alphon, where are we doing here? They hear you. Alphon, they hear you. Yeah. When it color brown and you think it's not red anymore, you can see the chicken. It's already like white because it still have pink or when you can see it means it's cooked. Yeah. You have to be careful the wire. When you're cooking, you have to be careful this one, the wire, because it can run. Okay, it's okay. You can, because it's just a little, you can put the onion, garlic, yeah, garlic. This is a garlic also. Garlic, the one we cross like that. You use this one. Yeah. Garlic. Yeah. And then this is the hardest part. You put first this one. Put this one. You like that? Yeah. Ah, you like it. Okay. Because it's hard, and then we can separate this one, the vegetable. We can put the hard vegetable. Yeah, this is a hard. Yeah, put it this one hard. Bok choy, the bok choy. So this one, the cabbage. Wow! And then now, you use this. Oh, it's okay. Then put the rice. Because the rice is already done. We first the vegetable hardest. together these two. It's hard to tell, it's not. After this, you can mix together. Yeah, do it. But you have to be careful. Slowly. Slowly. Then after that, also put this one, the ginger. Put the ginger and also the chili, cayenne pepper. No, it's less. That little bit. Cayenne pepper. Wow, good. Now, you can put, while you're doing this one, the Knorr chicken cube, do squeeze chicken cube, vegetable cubes or chicken. Yeah, do like that, squeeze. Squeeze, no? Squeeze. Do it like this. Squeeze. Squeeze until, yeah, good. Slow the pan like one. Slowing cook. Take the garbage. This the garbage. Give it to my food. See? Yeah, and then put salt 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Only 1, 2, 3 for that way because we have already Knorr cubes. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And then also black pepper. Put 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's okay. And then 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Little. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Last mo na yan. Powder 1, 2, 3. Cayenne pepper. Later. This. Only 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Turmeric. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Also 1, 2, 3. Okay. Basil 1, 2, 3. And then mix. And then we picture after this on the plate. Okay. Last. Wait. okay? Because it's much more than bigger. It's okay. Now, you can put it now. That's the leaves, because the other is much more than harder. This is the last. Yeah, the butcher. Okay. Yeah. You have to be careful. Slow, because it's just slow. It's okay if you like the half cook, because it will be.
I can leave it.
Oops. Okay.
I can leave it.
No. Okay, like this, and then you get the plate also, and then you percentage for your picture. Yeah. Did you put already curry powder, right? Maybe you can put more curry for the hair color. Wow, strawberry ng salt and pepper. Very good. Okay, now we can turn off the fan. Yeah, this is nice. Finish, brother. Thank you for watching.